morning everyone, and welcome back to another brand new week. It's Thursday the 13th of August. Can't believe we're almost at the middle, again halfway through August. It's like I've blinked and the month's almost gone. It's ridiculous. Anyway, it's 9:27 to be precise, and current temperature has dropped from the scorchers we've been having. It's a bit overcast today. It's currently 63 degrees Fahrenheit, which I believe is around about 17 degrees Celsius, so not particularly hot today. Nice, it's manageable today. No aircon on, you know, so it's just a nice day today. One I can deal with. So Thursday morning, as per, I'm on my way to pick up Mum to go do shopping. Once again, no idea where we're going. So hopefully this week it'll just be the two of us and not the extra spooky passenger. No idea what that was last week. Seatbelt on, and we're off. So that's not bad going. It's only 12:30 and all the shopping's done. Mum's safely back home. All the shopping packed away. Even had time to stay for a quick cup of coffee and have a catch up with Dad, which is nice.
When it comes down to buying 2020 cars, when in a couple of years' time, when the second-hand value.
We've had a little bit of a disaster. So the bunny that was sat on Ian's window ledge, he's accidentally knocked it off and broken both the ears off, which is a little bit of a tragedy. There used to be two. There used to be one there and this one here. That one there he broke about 6 months ago. This one is just done, and I have to say it's fairly gutted. It's Saturday afternoon, about 3:30. Ian's in the thick of it, so I've offered to bring Mr. Bentley out for his walk. Sky is grey, overcast, but it's still warm and muggy. So we've been out, we've had a long walk right down past the allotment and then right the way back up again. We've just bumped into his friend Peggy that's the doggy that was born without any knees, but does very well. So we've just bumped into Peggy and her owner. So yes, at least he's been able to say hello to somebody. So this morning we were originally going to go on a day trip out, but the weather wasn't all that good this morning. It was all foggy and misty and horrible, so we decided not to. Instead, Ian got stuck into doing some of his commission work, journal commission work, and I've started work on my 7 days of Halloween. Yeah, I'm planning ahead this year. It's Tuesday, the 18th of August, and today we're having a little bit of a day out. We're having a drive around, a bit of a round robin. We're going from Barnsley up north to Wetherby, which is just north of Leeds where we used to live. We're going to pick up some print from the printers there, day job stuff. While we're in Wetherby, we're going to pop across to the cemetery to put some flowers on the grave of Ian's mum and dad, because it was the 9th anniversary of mum's passing yesterday. Once we've done that, we're then going to drive right the way across to the other side of Leeds to drop the print off, and then we're going to do a little bit of shopping, and then we're going to drive all the way back again. But today the weather's absolutely appalling. It's not stopped raining for the past 2 days, so we're all kitted out in waterproofs and umbrellas today. Ian's just grabbing some flowers so we can pop some down when we get to the cemetery.
It's the anniversary of Mum's death today. She died 9 years ago. So I've got some flowers. I'm gonna put some flowers. We've got some flowers put on a grave. Aren't they beautiful? Should I love those?
Well, thought the rain would hold off while we were putting the flowers down, but it didn't, but never mind. Kind of fitted the mood. So that's the first couple of jobs done. So I've picked the print up, been to the cemetery, now we have to go and deliver the print.
Yes.
So now we're going to the other side of Leeds, so back into Leeds and then across to Morley.
Well, I got some happy mail this morning from a lovely lady called Jean Moran, and it had in it a beautiful card stroke journal she's made and a fluffy fox that squeaks for Mr. Bentley. Mr. Bentley adores it. He's been running around the garden with it. Now he's taken to his bed because he's so tired. Once again, thank you so much, Jean. He loves it.
So how goes the great painting?
The great painting's going very well actually. I'm nearly done. They're so finicky, these, as you see when I'm painting them. They're little spacemen and little robots that go inside little glass domes.
Yes, I think the name Wilf was suggested for the
It was.
for the robot.
Yeah, Wilf's a great name. I think we'll have a Wilf. But yeah, they look good those. I'm pleased with those. I've just got to stick some little faux rivets on, you know, the little ones.
Yes.
These.
I don't know whether it was last week when we first showed these or the week before.
Could be the week before. It's taken forever.
Yes.
It take ages to paint.
Yeah, but only because you had to go and get the right paints to do these because you didn't really have the right paints.
No,
did you?
he's nearly finished. There's a little robot at the front.
Yes, which we've just seen, I think.
Which you've just seen. So I'm just painting the black on, and then when the black's dry, tomorrow I will be painting I'll be putting on all the little rivets and things.
Oh yeah, the embellishments.
Yeah.
And of course adding in the little dots for the eyes.
Oh yes, well the dots of the eyes will actually be gems, black.
Ah, fair enough.
That gem, so that it gets a little bit of relief to it.
Yes. So this is stock for not the asylum because we're not doing the asylum.
No, I'm calling it the asylum because that's what I keep calling it, but Kellam Hall.
Yes, this is the sanctuary over the August bank holiday in Newark.
It is.
Instead of the 4-day weekend that we used to do in Lincoln. So it's like a pared down version, isn't it?
It's in 45 acres, so
socially distanced.
Socially distanced within an inch of its life.
Yeah.
Literally.
Well.
Yeah. Well. Yes.
Feet of its life.
Feet of its life. Yeah. Yeah. So we're going to there. I'm looking forward to it. I haven't seen our steampunk family for ages, and it'll be nice to see everybody again.
And of course, filming will be done.
Of course.
And there you go. Just to round off the week, we've just had the vertical blinds installed in the dining room and in the little family area as well. And they look wonderful, or we think they look wonderful as well. So starting to look a bit more like home. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.